All right, well, Jeremy's here joining me, so let's check in and see what's happening in weather outside. You know, I feel like I just need another couple weeks of winter.
Yeah, well, we might get some, but not for the next
maybe.
14 days. Yeah, that groundhog, well, at least the one in Pennsylvania, not looking very accurate right now. We're saying it's going to be warm. It's going to be warm today. It's going to be warm for the next 2 weeks. You'll see that on your 14-day. Sorry, Punxsutawney Phil. All right, 55 degrees. The current temperature at the San Antonio Airport, Stinson at 57. Humidity not too high at 33% because the air is fairly dry out there. And we have a light breeze out of the northwest at 3 miles per hour. See a lot of brown there on the view on the camera there at the airport. Definitely need some rainfall. That drought continuing to worsen. We need it. Also worsening as that Mount Cedar. It's still up there on the heavy side of the count, 99.20. So if you're sniffling and sneezing today, good chance it's that or the flu or cold. A lot of stuff going around right now. Mold's 180 and light. So the mold not too much of a problem at Mount Cedar, though definitely is. It is not 66 in Rock Springs. That temperature's been all over the place today. Something wrong with the temperature sensor there. 58 New Braunfels, San Marcos, 60 Gonzales, 53. Northern Hill Country, much cooler, 48 Kerrville, 46 Fredericksburg. Junction, 42 degrees. Here's the radar. We are dry. We have a few clouds out there. Not a whole lot, though. A good amount of sunshine today. So, of course, without cloud cover, we're not going to have any rainfall. Water vapor, we use this to show where the moisture is in the atmosphere, pick out weather systems. Where you have the orange, that's dry air. Where you have brighter whites, blues, or greens, that's where most of the moisture is. And you see it moving into South Texas, but the moisture not all that deep. We're going to see that increase over the next couple of days. We're not going to squeeze any rainfall out of the clouds, though, until we get to the middle of this work week, or next work week, rather. Still a few days to go. Here's the Futurecast. We'll start you out at 1 this afternoon. Notice we have virtually cloud-free skies, lots of sunshine. By noon, temperatures well into the 70s. And by the end of the day, we're talking highs more than 10 degrees above average for the beginning of February. 80s easily for San Antonio, possible later today, but I'm thinking southern counties, best chance for that. San Antonio forecasting a high of 79, mid-70s in the hill country. So a really nice day today. Overnight tonight, we'll really start to see that cloud cover increase. Here's 7 a.m. tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies. You do see the future radar showing up a couple isolated sprinkles in the Rio Grande. Can't rule it out for us, but for the most part, we're talking cloud cover tomorrow morning and temperatures on the mild side, 40s and 50s. By the end of the day, mostly sunny to partly cloudy. We'll call it a mix of sun and clouds tomorrow. High temperatures again, mid to upper 70s in the hill country, upper 70s, low 80s for the rest of South Texas. And then as we head into your Monday, more cloud cover in the morning again, pretty much starting out the same Sunday morning and Monday morning, cloud cover and mild temperatures. And then by the end of the day, mostly cloudy skies Monday and highs again, upper 70s and low 80s. Then we get the rain chances to move in. We definitely need it. Here's the temperature outlook for the 6 to 10 day period following the first 7 of the 14-day forecast. So this is for the second week. Above average temperatures. What about the rainfall? Unfortunately, all that above average rainfall mostly along the west coast and the desert southwest. Not a whole lot here. Maybe North Texas slightly above average, but for the most part, we're looking at dry conditions continuing as we head through the next couple of weeks. Mostly sunny today. Temperatures starting out cool this morning, 73 by noon, 79 that daytime high. West winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. This evening will drop down to the mid to low 60s by the early evening hours. Mostly clear skies along with that. West winds at 5 to 10. And here is that 14-day forecast. 79 today, 75 tomorrow, and pretty much the same thing Monday. And there's that rain chance coming in Monday night through Tuesday night, 76 for a high Tuesday. And if you're looking ahead to that rodeo day, the first day of the rodeo, that is Thursday, high of 78. Valentine's Day, nice, and a high of 70. We're looking out with some really nice weather for these, I guess you call it a holiday, right, Vanessa? Rodeo day, that's a holiday.
For rodeo, Jeremy. I'm loving it.